Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another tutorial. In this lesson we're continuing on with the player GUI, and here's where we'd left off in the last lesson. We'd gotten the value from the player health and flashlight scripts, and we'd passed them values into the appropriate variable within this script. Now we need to tell the script how far across to draw the max texture for each stat, and that's that list of variables right here, the health bar length, hunger bar length, and so on. So I'm going to come here below this block, and it must go below because we're going to use these variables here. So we need to get the value to pass into these variables before we can use them. So it must come after, and I'm going to put mine right at the bottom here. And we're going to say underscore, and we want the health bar length is going to be equal, we'll open brackets and we'll say underscore, and we want the return current player health divide by underscore return max player health. So there we go. We'll close brackets and we'll close the line off, and we'll put it straight into the comments. So we'll say health bar length is equal to current health divided by maximum health. And we'll come to the next line. So let's have a look at this. The health bar length, how far across to draw the texture, is equal to the divide between these two values, and this is why it must come after this block in the script. We need to get the values to pass into these variables, and then we can use them after. And we'll just copy this line, and as we've done quite a few times, we'll just paste it in 4 times, and then we'll go through and we'll change the variables. So this time it's going to be hunger bar length, and we want the underscore return current player hunger and divided by return, and we want the maximum player hunger. And I'll just copy the comment here and we'll just paste that in, and we'll do it a few more times, and then we'll go through and we'll change the comments. So here we'll change health to hunger, and we'll do it here as well, and finally at the end. And we just need to keep going through and doing the same for each line. So the next one's the hydration, and we'll return the current hydration health and the return maximum hydration, and we'll change the comment here. So hydration bar length is equal to current hydration divided by maximum hydration. And I'll just tidy up the comments here. I'll move these up so they're in line with the hydration one. And we'll continue on with the next line. So next one's going to be stamina, and the underscore return current player stamina. And we'll keep going through, and again we'll tidy up the comments and we'll just change it where applicable. So twice more here, and again here. And finally for this one at the bottom, and it's the battery bar length is, and we'll just change out the variables here. And where are we? In fact, that one, let's just paste that one in there, and it's the return current battery power, and we'll go through and we'll change the comment. So battery here and battery here, and we'll just save that off there. So again, if you wanted to keep your flashlight GUI as it is, you can delete these two lines and this line at the bottom. But for those of you that want all your GUI uniformed, please copy as it is in this script now. And we will be making some changes to the flashlight script in a later lesson, but I think I'll do that as one separate lesson. So we get the values from the appropriate script and pass it into the current or the applicable variable within this script, and then the length by which we draw the texture across the screen, and then is equal to the equation using these variables, and that tells the script how far across to draw our GUI. So I think we'll leave it here for this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope to see you next time, and until then, bye for now.